Welcome to today's breastfeeding support guide. If you are a first-time mom, learning how your body produces milk can feel overwhelming. A manual breast pump can help you understand your milk flow and build confidence. A manual breast pump is a simple hand-operated device. You gently squeeze the handle to create suction that removes milk from the breast. It does not need electricity, which makes it easy to use anywhere. Start by washing your hands and assembling the pump properly. Make sure the breast shield fits comfortably around your nipple. Sit in a relaxed position. Gently massage your breast before pumping to stimulate milk flow. Place the shield over your breast and slowly squeeze the handle. Begin with gentle, quick squeezes to stimulate letdown. After milk starts flowing, switch to slower, steady squeezes. If you only see small drops at first, don't worry. This is normal, especially in the early days. Pumping regularly helps your body learn to produce more milk. Using a manual pump can also help relieve fullness if your baby is not feeding well yet. It helps you feel more in control of your breastfeeding journey. Remember, every mother's body is different. Be patient with yourself. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby.